No one's gonna be here but us.
Kane's gonna explain.
So the plan is,
We literally look so funny to all the people going past at the front of the kids' store. Movie night or snack night?
I'm a juice cleanse, don't.
Okay, so like 2 weeks ago, I transformed my junk room into a movie room. Video link down below. But today, I thought I would have a movie night with my friends outside. Good morning, guys. I am starting the vlog, but I'm about to leave my house because actually, let me just sit this down. Today, I'm gonna go get a new camera. If you guys watched the unboxing, I couldn't stand the audio in that video. It was like really hard to hear, and I did the rough edit for that video. Kane sent it back to me. It was like, this audio is so bad. So anyway, last night, Kane at like 12 o'clock ordered me a new camera. So we're gonna go pick it up. Let's go to Kane's house. He has a little OOTD. I think this whole outfit is from Revolve, but it's so comfy. I don't have to wear a bra with this top, which is my favorite thing. Y'all know me. And these shorts are like just long enough where everyone can stop commenting on my Instagram stories that my shorts are too short. I got that the other day. I was kind of sad because they were my favorite shorts. I got this package in the mail, which I'm actually too excited to open. It's from the Lullaby Club. Y'all, the Instagram is the most aesthetic thing. I've been following them for a while now. I'm so excited. I don't think I'm capable of doing an unboxing video without saying I'm so excited. If I have lipstick on my teeth, I am gonna be sad. I have seen this set on the Instagram. It's so cute. Why did I have to open it like this? This is so freaking cute. It kind of reminds me of like a robe. I don't know if you could wear it as a dress. Ooh, almost. It's got this gingham like checked pattern all over it, and then it comes with like a little matching short, so it looks like you're like kind of wearing a dress. But what I'm so excited about is they sent me the matching bucket hat to go with it. Kind of obsessed with lilac at the moment. Thank you. Alrighty, time to actually go pick Kane up. I'm sweating, it's hot. What's the temperature today? Hey Siri, what is the temperature right now?
It's about 29 degrees outside.
She's kind of warm. Hey Siri, what is 29 degrees Celsius in Fahrenheit?
29 degrees Celsius is 84.2 degrees Fahrenheit.
She's pretty warm. I have literally 5 messages from Kane, so I think it's time to leave. Oh, it's so hot though. I think I have to drink some water really quickly. You guys probably have seen this on my Instagram, but I've been recently, why can I never speak at the start of a vlog? I've been recently super obsessed with this. It is beauty water, which is essentially like collagen. It's by the brand More Life, and this literally tastes like jelly, like the liquid before you make the jelly. It's so nostalgic. I'm gonna have some. Please tell me that I have a cup. When I moved out like 5 years ago, I only bought 1 set of cups. There's just 1 left. I'm pretty sure that collagen is really good for your skin and your hair and your nails. Ooh. If I had this when I was a kid, I would have been so excited. And also, I'm not sure what makes it taste so good. It tastes like the jelly. I'm gonna put some ice in it. Oh, I got some on my bed. How many times have I said, okay, I'm gonna go meet Kane now? Let's actually go meet Kane. I was just about to throw away all the packaging, and I realized there was a tiny little Frank body sample in there. That's so cute. I can't wait to try it. I include some in my giveaways that are coming up. Make sure to stay tuned for that. I have arrived at Kane's. I just realized that I have a playlist and it's only got 5 songs in it, so comment down below. We want good everyday vibes, like nothing too crazy. Let me know what your favorite song is and I'm gonna make my playlist better. Should I link my Spotify? That's probably boring. I'll link it anyway in case you guys are curious, but whatever. I'm gonna go into Kane's, have a sore stomach. Let's do it. Suddenly blind. I also just realized that this morning I was too busy opening packages and random stuff that I drank half of my coffee, so we're a little tired. Hello! I hate walking in here in case there's spiders. Oh, I was touching my leg. Made it to Kane's house. Kane has an idea that he wants to do tonight.
It's gonna be the coolest thing. If you saw the movie room that we made, I feel like we should do it outside.
Kane wants to bring the projector outside tonight. Also, just like quickly, Kane's pool has literally been unswimmable for like the last 2 months, and like low-key she still looks pretty foggy, but this is the best it's looking 2 months. You're doing amazing, pal.
It's no longer green. green.
Kane's gonna explain to you the idea.
So the plan is to bring everything down here, including the projector, which I'm thinking could be right here. And I'm gonna put a nice big white sheet. I'll sacrifice a sheet, put it up against here, and just project, have the whole seating area.
This outdoor cinema moment.
Yep, we could have a barbecue if we wanted to, even a little campfire. Be a lot of stuff. Whether we'll do that, I don't know, but it should be fun.
So my only concern is that every single time we've ever sat out here at nighttime, there's like crazy big spiders. And I didn't even think about this when we're getting all the Christmas decorations from in Kane's like garage area, but we just have crazier spiders in Australia. They're not small little like spiders, they're like big. Like
in our state, this particular spider,
we have to do a little disclaimer. Give like 3 seconds ahead if you don't want to see a spider.
it was found in a dude's house. He let it live there for a year.
Cool. We want to go pick up some stuff from Holly's house.
I think a good idea would be to invite people to the movie night as well, because at this stage no one's going to be here but us.
Ew, there's a massive spider web
Where?
just there, pal. So we are heading to Holly's. We've been waiting for her to answer the phone so we could go around there, but she took ages. We're finally going.
We had some stuff left over there from when we did the room makeover.
I ended up borrowing Holly some trees because she wasn't some plants from the room makeover because she wasn't sure if she wanted to buy them, but we're gonna go pick them up. Hello, oh baby. Here are our plants and the cutest little doggo ever. You're doing amazing, pal.
Leaves in first or back in first?
I normally put leaves in first because otherwise I feel like they get stuck in the boot. I'm being so helpful just recording you doing this. Thanks, pal. Aww. Help it. Not under the car. Where is it?
It's under the tire.
He's like, yeah, Kane, you get that. It's just a little random out the front of the kids' store. This is why we need to go. The first things first, we want to get a microphone. Love that. Holly just squirted hand sanitizer on her face. Kane secured the good audio.
Secured the bag.
What a best friend. Best pal. Oh my god, everyone's gonna be like, she must be mad at him.
Someone's blending. So loud. Can they not see we don't have the microphone on yet?
This audio actually is probably really crap. Getting sushi for lunch. You're not getting anything. Holly's on a cleanse. Hi, can I get an avocado roll and the crumb chicken, please? Secured the sushi. Now we just gotta find Kane Foster, who is in here somewhere, but it's extremely busy. Okay, number one, can we just take a moment? I vlogged in front of all those people, but I actually just wanted to mention, if you guys didn't know, I am not just being ignorant and not wearing a mask. We don't have to wear them in Australia. That's why I don't have a mask in front of all these people. We haven't had community transmission for ages. I feel like a lot of you guys have probably heard this over and over again, but I just don't want to like come across that I'm encouraging people to not wear a mask if you guys don't know the situation. So I got Kane sushi. He's disappointed because I only got him one roll.
I honestly could eat 6.
So foul. We got the new camera, which actually looks almost identical to the camera that I'm putting this on. Literally, they have the same lens. The only thing is this one has like this tiny little This camera is like pretty much the same as this one, right? Except I can put a microphone on it.
Yeah, microphone on top and the screen's on the side. And we wanted the screen on the side. Screen's huge.
It makes the camera look bigger though, because it looks so long. The good thing about this camera is it takes the same batteries as my last one. Wait, it doesn't take the same battery pack.
That fucking sucks, mate.
Whoa, this microphone is way bigger than I actually thought that it was. What the fuck?
It's fucking huge.
Are you sure this is the microphone
That's
that I want? I can't imagine taking this into a public place.
Well, you don't have to, pal.
Okay, I hope I like this. This is so noxious. Update, Kane has realized that he may or may not have got the wrong microphone.
Not may or may not. Definitely not.
It's fine. It's huge. It's a little bit obnoxious for me. But we're gonna get a new mic. Also, the battery keeps going flat before I can see what we look like in this camera. She is charged. Don't know if it's gonna work. Anyway, let's test this baby out. See if she's cute. What do I do? I don't know if I like it. It's so different. I can see that I am not looking into the lens. It's triggering me. Hi, don't be vain and look in the freaking thing. Every single camera that I've ever gotten has had a flip up lens, and you betcha I'm looking at myself. Like, who wouldn't? If you have a lens to look into or a flip up
you're gonna look at the flip
viewfinder,
up.
Everyone looks at the viewfinder. Now it's just super obvious. Oh my god. Okay, hi.
I wonder if the sound was good. Because we got this big, expensive, chonky thing up there.
Expensive, that's for sure. Chonky, that's for sure. That was it. We're gonna go pack our movie night at Kane's house. I'm pretty excited. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be lit. Kane Foster, king of wearing sunglasses inside at all times.
And nighttime.
What do we need?
Oh, I need a big tripod.
Why?
Then you have control of where the projector is.
So if you guys watched my movie room makeover that I did the other day, Kane Foster got me the most obnoxious but also very, very cool projector. So we're gonna take that to Kane's. Are we setting, oh, it's so dark back here. Holy guac. Are we setting up a sheet to put the projector onto? No, do you have a spare white sheet, pal?
See, I know you have a spare white
I don't.
sheet, and I know I also have a spare white.
Yeah, and we're going to your house, so let's use your sheet. Kane has set up the projector that we're going to use tonight just on like one of our random tripods that we have for filming. Who would have known a tripod would come in handy like this? Naturally, we want to make it super cozy, so I feel like we have to take like fairy lights to put outside, probably pillows, because I feel like you have no pillows at your house. What are we all going to fit on?
The table and chairs, we've got some seating we can have without. We can also bring out some cushions. I don't have any.
I'm not opposed to it. I'm just like more of a, I want to watch movies like as comfy and cozy as I possibly could be. Like,
oh, I also haven't told anyone, so I better do that.
You haven't invited anyone? Alrighty, we're gonna take some pillows. We need a blanket. Oh, this one is probably big enough. It's huge. Also, Holly put these little pictures of me everywhere throughout my house. Great job. You're such a great friend. Actually, my favorite one is the one that is above my bed on the roof when I'm sleeping, because it's like low-key creepy and very Holly. We should take this thing just because it's cute. Inside this TV cabinet is where I honestly put all of my old decor to go and die. But I want some fairy lights. Oh, these ones are not working. I took my giveaway picture the other day also, which if you haven't entered, make sure to come over, enter. It's on Instagram. I have a bunch of giveaways going up on Instagram over December, and I also have one YouTube giveaway. It's hot as frick right now. I feel like later on it would suck and low-key ruin the movie for me if it got cold. I think I'm gonna take a sweatshirt. I'm gonna take this one from White Fox. I think I wore it in a vlog the other day, but it's so cute. I love it. It's like the perfect amount of oversized. I feel like we're a little confused about whether we're having a movie night or a Mario Kart party, but we'll work it out. Let's go to Kane's. This is the little setup that we made. Kane really went all out and got us pretty much every fabric that he earned to put on the ground.
See, my main problem I have with this is I needed to like iron that or something.
But this is cute and cozy.
Do you know, pal?
A-holes. Movie night or snack night?
I'm a juice cleanse, don't.
We have officially set everything up. We literally look so funny to all the people going past on the river. You definitely can't really miss it. Can't miss this freaking cutie sitting over here. Ooh! We're fake watching a movie. So oh, no one's actually watching
love
it.
the princess twist. Thank you very much.
It's not dark enough, so we're gonna wait until it gets a little darker, and then Kane and I want to watch Shrek, right, Kane?
Right.
No one else really wants to watch Shrek. I don't know why my friends are like this. I seem to have broken Holly. She's upset because I bought all these snacks, all of her favorite snacks.
French fries,
Maltesers, and
you put them together.
how do you say friend? Freunde?
Freunde.
Freunde? Ich liebe meine Freunde. My favorite part about not actually watching this movie is Holly reading all of the subtitles.
No, not at all. It's just the horses in Montereau are a bit shorter, like large ponies.
Let me know if you guys agree in the comments. I feel like that sounded exactly like the Golden Princess Witch's voice. Kane thinks he just felt a raindrop, which is kind of scary. But y'all, do you want to watch Shrek or play Mario Kart?
Mario Kart.
Mario Kart.
You want to watch chess?
Yeah.
You love chess now?
We can watch the Queen's Gambit.
I low-key love the Queen's Gambit.
I think we should watch 365 Days.
We watched 365 days here for every other house to see.
Are you lost, baby girl?
Oh. Comment down below, let me know what you guys would have watched if you set this situation up. Apparently our only options are Shrek and
Lost, baby girl.
365. I have nothing to say. My friends are weird. Not you.
Especially you.
I think you might, you really might take #1 spot holes.
Imagine how good it would be if the projector just yeeted into the fucking river.
I thought you were really good at this, pal. Because I don't see you coming fast. I probably shouldn't play on because like I don't want you guys to feel crappy. Like you guys lose every game.
Our movie night at the moment has turned into a Mario tournament. I'm not playing right now because I lost.
I'm not playing because I won. This is definitely the most extra Mario Kart night ever. Also, we barely taught anyone that hadn't played this before how to play it. I feel like Kane's entire tactic is like not telling people how to use the controller properly.
I reckon.
Kane is officially everyone's favorite person now that he ordered pizza. Oh, except for Holly because of the juice cleanse.
He's my least favorite.
Currently, my new favorite pizza, which is vegan cheeseburger. Oh, I zoomed in and she was not aesthetic.
Next to some fairy lights.
Ooh, oh. Now I can do like a I'm gonna go beat everyone at Mario Kart. So I hope you guys like this vlog. Let me know what movie y'all would watch if you set up this. Hopefully you guys, I really just thought I saw a spider. I really just thought this was a spider. Bye. Bye.